Hi, Chat.
Hey there, how's it going?
I want you to help me practice a phone call and talk to me as a brand. I will be the representative from my company, Pacific Goods LLC. My name is Ali, and your name is John, and your company name is Norcom Incorporation, registered in Georgia in the US. You are a brand and you manufacture paper products, and I'm the person who is going to open a trade account with you to resell on Amazon. You should be a bit tough to allow me to sell on Amazon, but in the end, let me try to convince you. Let's start the call.
Sure thing, Ali. Let's dive into it. Hello, this is John from Norcom Incorporation. How can I assist you today?
Hi, John. This is Ali from Pacific Goods LLC. How are you today?
Hi, Ali. I'm doing well. Thanks. What can I do for you today?
Hi, John. My company specializes in the retail area of paper products and many other office products. So I was looking into this, your company, Norcom Corporation, and I see you guys have a lot of paper products directly manufactured and made in the US. And my company is quite interested in working with you to resell your products on different marketplaces, including online on our own website. We also specialize in marketing and promoting your product on a large scale level through influencers and content creators based on YouTube and TikTok. Let me know if you're interested in discussing further.
Thanks for the information, Ali. We're always careful about who we partner with for reselling, especially on platforms like Amazon. We need to ensure that any partners we work with adhere to our brand standards and policies. Can you tell me more about how you handle product marketing and compliance, particularly on platforms like Amazon?
Sure thing. So we make sure we work very closely with all the brands on our network. We carefully review your policies, including the map policies and the regional policies as well. And we will make sure we optimize the listings on Amazon and other marketplaces for you that would be complimentary for you from our end, because we don't charge you upfront for those kind of services. We want to make profits, including uh, by selling online, and of course those profits will be passed on to you as well. So this is how we work.
That's good to hear, Ali, but I'm still a bit concerned about maintaining our brand integrity online. We've had issues in the past with unauthorized sellers not following our guidelines. How can you guarantee that your operations will align with our brand standards and prevent any potential issues?
Of course, I completely understand. There are some new sellers jumping in all the time, and usually they are unauthorized. They are not aware of the actual process of getting the permission and consent from the brands directly. What we do is we have a separate department for authorizing each approval, the listings that go on Amazon. And that department makes sure that we are not listing anything that is unauthorized by the branch, or we are not selling under map policies in any case. So you don't have to worry about this with us, because we have actually polished this system in place already.
That sounds promising, Ali. If you're able to maintain strict adherence to our policies and demonstrate a track record of successful partnerships, we might be open to discussing a trade account. Could you provide some references or case studies of your previous successful partnerships, especially any that involved large-scale online platforms?
Yes, of course. So a few months ago, we started working with this brand, Tokoyu, and this brand was based in Japan. They are largely selling in the US, and they do, luckily, or you can say by coincidence, they are actually in dealing in paper products. What we did is we made sure their listings are all aligned with the new structure of Amazon's policy requirements, the listing requirements. At the same time, we also listed all the sellers who were violating their map policy. We also listed the sellers who were not following the other policies. They were not giving the good customer services. They were not answering the customers' questions on Amazon and other marketplaces. All these listed sellers we actually sent to the brand and asked them to either take the strict action against them or just get them removed from their listings on Amazon. And accordingly, they did all these steps as per our suggestions. Today, after the 6 months of continuous journey, they have doubled their sales just alone on 3 listings on Amazon. Then they are top of the rankings in place as well.
That's a solid example, Ali. It's good to know you've had success with similar brands and have a system in place to handle policy compliance. Could you send over some detailed case studies or reports on this Tokoyo partnership? It would help us make a more informed decision.
Yes, of course. So what we can do, we create a brand proposal that includes the deficiencies, that also includes the analysis that we find online on all your listings, the products, and across different marketplaces and on your own website as well. And this proposal will consist based on probably 18 to 20 pages, maybe sometimes more, depending on how large the brand is. But in your case, you should be fine. So please let me know an email address that is best or direct to you so I can send it over in the next couple of business days.
That sounds good. You can send the proposal to john.smith@norcomink.com. I'll review it and get back to you once I've had a chance to go through the details. Thanks for taking the time to explain everything. Ali?
Thank you, John. Thank you for your time, and I'll definitely send the email as soon as possible, and then hopefully we will be able to schedule another call in the next week. Till then, thank you.
You're welcome, Ali. I look forward to reviewing your proposal and speaking with you again soon. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Bye.